blazing hot. On point. Less talk, way more action in your face. In the zone with the Milwaukee Extended Ratchet. The M12 Fuel Edition. Is it better than the standard M12 Fuel Ratchet?
Well, I believe you're gonna find out soon. And welcome back to the show. Time to get real here. That power tool is our latest entry in the shop. It delivers 55 foot-pounds of torque. And if you keep your toes in that Milwaukee universe, this is the longest tool you can get for the money.
Let's try it again. I was just getting warmed up.
Conclusion?
That tool is pretty slick and it's going places. I personally prefer the long neck version. Can reach pretty much any spot in this engine bay. Beautiful. I'm out. Deuces.